South by Southwest is an annual interactive festival in Austin, Texas that showcases music, tech, health, film, and more. During the 9-day festival, badge holders are able to attend daily sessions and workshops led by some of the brightest leaders in entertainment and STEM from across the globe. Music is a big focus during the festivals as newer artists set out to make a name for themselves. Like Prince Amine, who traveled south to Austin to get a taste of what South by Southwest is all about.
Actually, I got invited to perform for the Afrobeats dancehall segment. Yes, and finally a part of the South by Southwest officially, so that's pretty dope. And I'm actually an upcoming artist based in Montreal, Canada.
The Creative Industries Expo is a space to network with companies on the cutting edge of innovation, while the film festival gives filmmakers the opportunity to premiere new and independent films. Neptune's Core traveled from the Midwest to also make their debut at the festival.
Well, we're like an alternative rock band from Chicago. We're two sets of sisters or best friends who've been playing music together since like middle school.
With so many live performances to choose from, next year, don't forget to download the South by Southwest app to plan accordingly. Kirsten Warner, UTA News.